a beautiful day it is. It's so beautiful. The sun is shining. The birds are chirping. Hey, what happened? Oh, I fell out of my house. Okay. I fell off stage, people. It's okay. It's okay. Who are you? Are you a toy? Did you come to life? No, get out. It's toys that are alive.
Would you like some cotton candy? Oh no. Blacked out.
That was weird. I mean, like, seriously.
No.
That was, like, weird. Why did my toy come to life? Anyway, Rarity, where did you come from?
I don't know.
So today's the first day of school. Are you so excited? Are you excited as I am?
I'm a little scared.
Me
What
too.
if the math teacher doesn't like us again?
Again? Wait, he didn't like you? He loved
didn't
me.
Like me.
He gave me.
I always got bad grades because of this on my hair.
He always yelled at me and gave me bad grades. He loved me. Right?
Oh, yeah.
Right?
Totally.
Ow! Time to go to school. Super psyched. I'm at the school grounds. That's so beautiful. Oh my gosh! Lyra? Pinky? Oh my gosh! Hi! Oh, are you okay?
Lyra.
Oh, I'm sorry.
Time
Charlie!
for the photo.
Yeah. Oh yeah, the photo.
Let's go
the
in
photo.
the yearbook. It'll take at least 250 days.
250 days?
Well, there have
Hi,
been a lot
guys.
of pictures, a lot of cool stuff.
Hi guys. Oh, hey Sky Wishes. Hi. Oh, Fluttershy. Hi. I didn't expect to see you coming. I thought you were moving. I was going to. Hey, look, I think I see Honey Rays.
Hello.
Hi.
You know how many times
I think that was the bell. Alright, let's go to class. Okay, bye guys. Bye. Woohoo! I'm coming. Woo! I'm so excited. My students are coming to my class. Okay, I have to be normal now. Okay. Oh, here they come. Oh, wow. Alright, class. Today we're going to be learning about, stuff. Hey, who's the new guy? He's kind of cute. I know, right? No talking in class. Okay? Like, no talking ever in class. Especially without my permission. Okay, Lyra? Okay. First, we're going to call roll. Lyra, here. Cheerly, here. Fluttershy, here. Honey Rays, here. Butterscotch, here. Rainbow Dash, here, as always. Oh, and by the way, I got 20% cooler over this summer. I mean, like, oh my gosh, no one knows. No one wants your life story, okay? Okay. I am Princess Twilight Sparkle, your teacher. Ow! I fell over. It's okay. Sky Wishes, here. Rarity, here. Sunset Shimmer, here. Pinkie Pie. Oh my gosh! I'm here! I'm right here! I'm so beautiful! Oh,
I'm going to the bathroom.
okay, now that everybody is here, we can just, end the episode.